3 years ago, I was in a very dark place. Past the happy smiles and the cheery dispositions, I was very lost and confused and did not know if I would make it past this. I tried to do things my own way and landed in even bigger trouble. Then I finally gave all my trust in God and took the courage to start coding. It was often an uphill battle, but recently I became a Harvard Assembly Fellow through building code with a team that God brought to me to help. 3 years ago, I never thought that would happen. I would have laughed. So yes, there was darkness, but through God, there is light.